Alright, second grade, today we're going to find and record the total value for money amounts that are greater than $1. So $1 is how many? How much change? 100. Okay, the value of 100. So what it means by greater than $1 means it's going to be greater than 100. Okay? Understand? It will be greater than 100. All right. Before we start, I'm going to tell you a story problem, and I want you to write the coins down that you hear. Okay? Write the coins down that you hear. Before I do that, I want to ask you, what's the value of a quarter? Everyone?
25 cents.
Okay. What's the value, raise your hand, of a dime? Guys?
10 cents.
10 cents. What's the value of a nickel? Kason? 5 cents. And what's the value of a penny? Xander? 1 cent. Okay, here it is. Dominic has 1 quarter. Draw it. You need to tell what it's worth in the middle of it. Quarter's not worth 1. Penny is worth 1. What the quarter is worth has to be in the middle of the quarter. He has 2 dimes. He has 3 nickels. He has 3 nickels. And 1 penny. 1 penny. How much money is in Dominic's bank? If that's what he has. How much does he have in his bank? Now, boys and girls, what is it asking of you? What's it asking you to find? What is that question asking you to find? Lena?
How much in all?
Yeah, how much in all, right? How much money in all does he have? Okay, so count it and write it on the total value, and I'm going to go check your answers. Count it, write it as a total value, and I'm going to come check your answers. Okay, I'm going to write them down, and you guys are going to count what they each cost. So we had a quarter. That quarter was?
25.
Then we had 2 dimes, which would be 25 and 35, 45, now 5, 50,
55, 60, 61.
61 cents, right?
Yep.
Okay, here we are, starting on our new thing, making money more than $1. Okay? All right. When you write amounts greater than $1, use a dollar sign and a decimal point. Okay? We kind of did this yesterday when you wrote $1. You just didn't have any change. You always put 0 for the change, right? Today you're going to actually have change. Okay? So in here they have 4 quarters, which we learned yesterday. 4 quarters is how much? $1. So they have that right here. Okay, but then they have more change. What is this? Another quarter, so that's how much? 25, and then 2 pennies would be 26, 27. So we have a whole dollar and then 27 cents. So that's what you're going to have you write is dollar sign, $1, 27 cents, and then a decimal point. Or you know what? If you just counted 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 126, 127. If you wrote 127, all you gotta do is make sure you have a dot between your last two numbers and then put your dollar sign. Looky there. 127 cents. $1.27.
Hey, it's the
Yeah.
same.
Okay. Now they actually have dollar bills in there for the other one, the next one. So they have a dollar bill, which is obviously a dollar. Now let's count the change. 25, 35, 45. Remember, we're counting by 10. 5 more than 45 would be 50. So you have $1.50. Okay? So that's what you're doing today. You are counting money and writing it down in dollar form. Remember, your first blank is your dollars. Then you have your decimal point, and then your cents, right?
Yep.
And whenever you do this, now when you have dollars and not just cents, you have to put the dollar sign. All right? If you don't have your dollar sign, that is -1. Okay? No, not a stick, it's just -1 on your paper. Okay. Let's look at the back problem solving page. Renee, problem solving page. Okay. Number 7 says Martin used 3/4 and 7 dimes to pay for a kite. How much money did he use? I'm not going to give you that answer. We're not going to do that one together. You are going to draw the coins, count them, and then write the number. Understand? Okay, number 8, hot problem. Pam has fewer than 9 coins. The coins have a total value of $1.15. What coins could she have? We're just going to do guess and check. Now, when we need to use fewer coins, what does that kind of mean? When we want less coins, we don't want a lot of coins, we need to use what kind of change? What kind of coins should we use so that we don't use so many? Well, nickels are 5. We might thought to use a lot of 5s. Remember, how many 5s are in a dollar? You guys remember from yesterday? 20. 20 nickels are a dollar. We have to do under 9 coins. We can't use just nickels. We can't use, they said I have to be under or fewer than 9. 20 is way bigger than 9. Listen, when you are trying to use fewer coins, you have to use bigger amounts of money, right? Which is bigger coins. You need to use the value coins of the coins need to be bigger. So what is the biggest amount of coins that we know? Everyone? Quarters. You need to use quarters. Okay? We have to do fewer than 9 coins. So what can we do? What kind of coins can we do? Think about it. Grayson? How many quarters? 4 quarters? Okay. He says 4 quarters. Don't write anything down yet just in case he's wrong. 4 quarters. So are we under 9? Yes, we're still under 9. How much is 4 quarters?
25. $1.
Which is 100, right? We need $1.15. So I need more. We have the dollar. What else do I need, Isaac? 3 nickels. Does that stay under 9?
Yes.
Yes. Will that work?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so what coins could she have? Write the coins. Write a list of her coins. 4 quarters. If you guys would like to do something else, that's fine. You just tell me. And 3 nickels.
Can we put that down?
Yes. Okay. Right, you guys probably could have done that one on your own. All right, that's all I'm helping you with. All right, boys and girls, I said I was done helping you, but we are going to go ahead and do a problem together just so that you know what to do. All right, share and show. It says, circle the money that makes $1, then write the total of all the money shown. I know all wasn't in there, but I just did it anyway. Okay? So you're first going to circle $1, and then you're going to count the rest of the coins to see how much you have total. Okay? Number 1 will be easy because it actually has $1, so I don't want to do that one. I'm actually going to do one of these ones. Okay? What do you want me to do? 1, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Well, not 4. 5. Okay. So let's do this. We got to make $1. So we have 25, 50, 75, 85, 95, $1. So you're going to circle all these coins together, because that's $1 right there. Okay? Now what do I have left over?
1 nickel.
Nickel?
A dime.
A dime. How much is a dime?
10.
10 cents, right? So what am I going to write? $1 decimal point 10 cents. Does that make sense? What you're supposed to do now? You circle the dollar, all the coins that make $1, and then you look at what's left over for your change. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. There you go.